Hi Cancer, this is Chloe from the Galactic Soul coming to you with your February love reading. It is the month of love, so let's see what's going on in your love life. All right, Cancer, let's see. Ooh, we do have one that flipped over, so let's keep that one out. Spirit, please tell me what Cancer needs to know right now about the love life. This one keeps sticking out, so I feel like I should take it, so we're gonna take it. Anything else as of right now? Thank you very much, Spirit, for giving me these messages for Cancer. We're good for that. All right, so first off, there's two things going on here. And the reason why I say this is because we do have the Two of Swords, and the Two of Swords is very logical. You're making a decision between two things. However, I feel like you don't know all of the information. You don't know all the information, so be careful when you're making this decision because you don't know all of the information. However, it's going to be a good outcome after you got to look internal though for the don't let all of the outside people in your life or aspects of your life dictate this decision. You should really go to your higher self and really pause, think, nourish both sides and see what works best for you. We do have the Lover's card, but the Lover's card, people are like, oh, you're in love. No, the Lover's card is very much the balance between the feminine and the masculine within you. So you need to talk to your higher self and you need to really put a focus on who is going to allow you to be both feminine and masculine. Who is going to allow you to be the balanced soul that you are? Very, very important. We have the Three of Wands. Three of Wands is very much watching your ships roll in. It is giving me the thought of you're going to make a decision. However, while you're making that decision, the universe is going to come in and be like, all right, well, I made the decision for you anyway, but it was the one that you wanted. It's very much like the one that wasn't supposed to be is going to fizzle out anyway, if that makes sense. So it's just going to basically validate what you wanted in the first place. And it was very much like you being too nice. You didn't want to break that person's heart or something like that, where it's very easy to, you obviously cared about this person, but they just weren't it for you. But either, don't waste their energy. So we have the Three of Wands. Three of Wands is passion, so definitely see something there. And then we have the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups for me is Prince Charming. However, it did come in reversed. I don't read reversals. I do feel like there is a Knight of Cup coming, Prince Charming coming. And there's going to be a lot of emotions with it. And I also have the Three of Cups. Three of Cups is very much at a party or a gathering, having fun, out and about, that kind of thing. So there are three here. So it could mean something fishy, but I really think it's something simple where you are out and about and you meet up with this person and it just fits, it just works. And all of that fret about making a decision between the two, once you really start hanging out with this person in this group of friends or whatever, you really see who they are. And that makes you super excited because you're like, oh wow, I followed my intuition and it was totally right. And this might be something. This might be something good. So let's see what else we have. This is for Cancer. Any other messages for Cancer? Oh, holy crap. All right, we're going to whip through. I'm just going to randomly. All right, so Ace of Wands, new passion. You're going to see this person and you're going to be like, oh, wow, this person is incredible. It is divine timing. See the hand? I just gave you the middle finger by accident. I'm so sorry. But see the hand? It is coming out of a cloud. Divine timing here, people. Divine timing. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is planning. Whether you are a planner, he is a planner, but I feel like it's definitely coming from he or she, whatever. I'm obviously, okay. Hi friends, just wanted to put a shameless plug in here about my free ebook available on my website, thegalacticsoul.com. It's super easy, and you go to the website, you click the first button that says free ebook, and then you enter all of your information, and bam, the free ebook is right in your inbox. Basically, the ebook goes over the basics of mediumship, how to start your journey connecting to the other side, and much, much more. Again, you can go to the website, thegalacticsoul.com, or you can click the link in the pinned comment below for more info. Now, back to the reading. But they are a planner, and they are planning. I think they're the planner, and they are planning. They want to take care of you. They tell you, hey, let's go to this dinner. Very divine masculine. They want to take care of you. They want to serve you. So take that. Oh, the Emperor. Emperor's next. Absolutely. Emperor, strength, super literally protector, like any of those big masculine, that is this person. This person wants to be your protector, wants to serve you. So take that as it resonates. We do have the Seven of Swords though. A lot of people say Seven of Swords, lying, cheating, stealing. However, I feel like this is gathering things in order to help the future. So gathering things for the future, education, anything like that. As of right now, it might be lying, cheating, stealing. However, I feel like it's them being open to you about the lying, cheating, stealing. So just be cautious about that. We do have the Queen of Pentacles, definitely stable here. It's they are not afraid to be vulnerable with you, and they are proud to show their feminine self. Love that. I love that for you. So yeah, they like to show their feminine selves, and they have no problem supporting you. Wow, that's so great. Going into the last four cards, I am like all of these close together, separate from there. These are your own feelings. So you are feeling, so let me tell you the cards. It's Five of Cups, Two of Pentacles. We have the Chariot, and then we have the Hanged Man. So with the Five of Cups, I feel like you are focusing on the negative here. There are two cups in this card that are completely full, ready to go, but you're focusing on the three that are knocked over. So let's not focus on the negative here, because not saying that can change. It's just, I feel like you are kind of like self-sabotaging. So don't do that in this here. We have the Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is finding your balance. And I think it's finding your balance between, this person is a really great person, and I love what they are and who they're fighting for. They're protecting me and serving me and all of that. But like, you also need your me time. I feel like it's like work-life balance, but like in the relationship. So maybe they want to be with you all the time, but find that balance, because if it's too much too soon, you don't want to ruin it. There is a connection here. There is something here. So definitely keep that in mind. Definitely find the balance and allow yourself to have that time to yourself. Then we have the Chariot. Chariot just automatically means moving quick. We are moving fast, and it is divine timing. It is finding balance. There's two sphinxes. One is black and one is white. We want to try to find that balance. They're being pulled in different directions. If you want to see the card, here's the card. But there are two sphinxes here. Sphinx, Egypt, very mysterious. So there might be a point where you have to choose. And I think you will have to choose whether you leave this relationship or not, because we do have the Hanged Man. Hanged Man is different perspective, but like higher perspective, enlightened perspective. So definitely search within and make sure that you want to continue on to this journey. Let me see what this Oracle deck has to say about this relationship, Cancer. I'm hoping this is helping someone out there. If you do resonate with this, definitely put a comment down below, and I will pull extra cards for you, honey. I know it's difficult because you're doing everything out of logic. However, there might be something missing, and that's okay, because you know what? You're going to find that in somebody else. Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. So take it as a grain of salt, but I would definitely go through the journey and see if it's right for you, because everything can change. The energy can change, but this is the energy right now. I really hope this helps, Cancer. If it does, definitely leave a comment down below, and also subscribe so we can be YouTube friends. I would love that. And if you need anything, I am here for you. Signing off.